Let's take a closer look at one of the most exciting foldable smartphones of 2026, the Oppo Find N6. This device brings together a premium design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge display technology, all wrapped in a foldable form factor that feels both futuristic and practical for everyday use. Oppo is clearly pushing the boundaries here, not just in design, but in overall user experience. Now let's talk about the design. The Oppo Find N6 comes with a sleek and premium build that immediately feels flagship level. When unfolded, the device is incredibly thin at just 4.2 millimeters, which is impressive for a foldable. When folded, it measures 8.9 millimeters, making it still comfortable to hold and use with one hand. It weighs around 225 grams, which feels solid but not overly heavy. The materials used here are also worth highlighting: nanocrystal glass, an aluminum alloy frame, and a titanium alloy hinge. This combination not only improves durability, but also adds a refined, premium feel. On top of that, the phone comes with IP58 and IP59 ratings for dust and water resistance, which is something we don't always see in foldable devices. Now let's move on to the display, which is one of the biggest highlights of this phone. When unfolded, you get a large 8.12-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2248 by 2480 pixels. It supports 1 billion colors, a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+, delivering a very smooth and vibrant viewing experience. Brightness can reach up to 2500 nits, so visibility outdoors is not an issue. Oppo introduces a self-healing memory glass technology that helps reduce crease visibility over time, combined with what they call a zero-feel crease. The cover display is also impressive, measuring 6.62 inches with the same LTPO OLED technology, 120 Hz refresh rate, and even higher peak brightness of up to 3600 nits. Both screens support stylus input, adding more flexibility for productivity and creativity. Now let's talk about performance. The Oppo Find N6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset built on a 3-nanometer process. It is paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 storage. This setup delivers excellent performance across the board. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding applications, everything feels smooth and responsive. The combination of high-performance CPU cores and the Adreno 840 GPU ensures that this device can handle heavy workloads without any noticeable lag. Now let's move on to the camera system. The Oppo Find N6 features a 3-camera setup led by a 200-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization. This allows for highly detailed and sharp photos in various lighting conditions. You also get a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. Oppo includes Hasselblad color calibration, which enhances color accuracy and gives photos a more natural look. For video, the device supports up to 4K at 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision, along with gyro EIS for stabilization. On the front, both inner and outer displays feature 20-megapixel selfie cameras capable of 4K recording. Now let's talk about battery and charging. The Oppo Find N6 is equipped with a large 6,000 mAh silicon-carbon battery, which is impressive for a foldable device. This capacity should comfortably last a full day of usage, even with heavy multitasking and media consumption. Charging is also very fast, with 80-watt wired charging support. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging and reverse wired charging for powering other devices. Now let's talk about features and connectivity. The device supports full 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth with aptX HD and LHDC5. It also includes NFC and an infrared port. For audio, you get stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, delivering a more immersive sound experience. Security is handled by a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, along with other sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Now let's talk about the software experience. The Oppo Find N6 runs on Android 16 with ColorOS 16. The system is optimized for foldable usage, offering smooth transitions, multitasking features, and split-screen capabilities. This makes the device not only powerful, but also highly productive. Overall, the Oppo Find N6 is a well-rounded foldable smartphone. It combines a premium design, powerful performance, advanced camera system, and a refined display experience into one device. For both general users and tech enthusiasts, this is a foldable that offers both innovation and practicality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.